What's up, everyone? Today's a beautiful day. Well, sort of, because it's the winter that never ends and it's just won't go away. And I have a lot of work to get still done on the Black Supra before Dyno Day on April 22nd, and we need to get back to work on the Buick. But that's not why you're here. You're here because we have one of the fastest manufactured cop cars in the United States, the Chevy Caprice PPV, which is actually a Holden car, which is badass. And it has an LS base engine, an L44 with 823 heads. It's like the holy grail. It's like the cheapest way you're gonna get yourself into an LS car and drive your kids to school on Friday and race on Saturday. This thing is an awesome car, and we need to do a couple things to it. But before we do, we need to benchmark it, which means heading to Lebanon Valley Dragway. And if you guys want to join me and hang out, I want to race through you guys and see if your project car can beat a legit cop car. So if you think you can outrun a cop car, and it has to be a street car, you have to drive it there, and it can't be some like total monstrosity that obviously you're not driving on the road. So if you want to race this thing, make sure you hit me up over at Lebanon Valley Dragway, April 15th on opening day. See you guys there. Enjoy the advert that I made for them. And until then, keep your shiny side up. God bless.